Now I'm going to tell you how to add MIT license to the GitHub repository in step-by-step manner. Now let's open GitHub account of mine. Just open and select whichever repository you want to add your MIT license. So I'll be selecting my project. Recently I have developed this and this is also considered as my major project. Here you can see your MIT license about. Now let me add the MIT license for this repository. For this you need to click on create new file. Then here you need to add as you need to name it as MIT license. Then click on commit changes and here use capital letters for this. Use cap lock and MIT license. And no need of writing any description for this. Click on create new branch for this commit and pull a request like this and just propose changes